welcome you on from ASSOCHAM to this conclave, manufacturing conclave in Odisha. Mr. Pankaj Mohanty has already, set the context. So I think probably he has already expressed the why actually at this point of time it's so relevant that AI, artificial intelligence that you are talking today, has become a part and parcel of everybody's life. And so to that extent, no manufacturing scenario can be thought of without AI today. And with these words, I will take a little bit of a journey towards the AI that you are talking about. The theme of this year, conclave, artificial intelligence driven manufacturing, innovations, efficiency and sustainable growth. It could not be more timely or relevant as you are feeling today. As you stand at the threshold of a new industry scenario, given by the digital intelligence data that was last year our theme was, how can we enable a transformation and a growth while ensuring that this growth is smart, inclusive and also sustainable? Odisha has been recognized as a resource-rich state with unparalleled reserve of iron ore, bauxite, coal and other minerals. But today, our aspiration is not just to be raw material hub, but a very high value manufacturing powerhouse. That is what exactly under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister, Honorable Industry Minister, and also led in the front by our Additional Chief Secretary. How to make it integrating the advanced technologies, environmental stewardship, and economic resilience. All how can able to do it together. And in fact, I am very proud to say Odisha is one of the few states in the country who have also expressed and published out its AI policy. It's one of the few states in the country where right from the beginning they have now taken out an artificial intelligence policy of a government. Over the past few years, Odisha had the groundwork for the transition through a series of enhancing initiatives. What are those? A progressive industrial policies and a sectoral incentives. I think nobody can tell better than Mr. Hemant Sharma IAS here sitting with us. World-class infrastructure like all the investment, including petrochemicals, petroleum, chemicals, and region-wise, and national investment and manufacturing zones, and whatnot. And ease of doing business reforms, as I said, a policy, advocacy with the digital single window systems. You must be knowing about single window system in Odisha, which is one of the best system in the country today. A strategic partnership across steel, aluminium, renewable energy, and downstream sectors. But now, the time has come to layer the intelligence infrastructure over infrastructure. That means we have to see how much, when called intelligence, I'm not only talking about artificial intelligence. I'm talking about the intelligence over infrastructure and sustainability over scale. These have become inevitable for us. We cannot sustain without these tools. When you talk about intelligence, we talk about artificial intelligence because human being as such has a limitation to create a situation or ecosystem to cover up all these fields. The fourth industrial revolution, as I said, Industry 4.0 is a present reality, artificial reality, that is augmented realities, artificial intelligences at the heart of the transformations. It is changing how we design, produce, maintain, and distribute everything from automobile to machineries, from energy system to consumer goods, and covering all the domain. AI is not just about robotics or automations. It is about hyper efficiencies, system intelligence, adaptive learning, and predictive capabilities across the manufacturing cycles. Imagine a smart, just to give you a few examples, I mean, the examples are plenty, you can take a long time. Smart sensor predicting equipment failures before they happen. My experience, I can say, in the manufacturing sector for almost 5 decades, we have seen the development, evolution of all the digital technology over the years, over quite a good long period. Machine learning, optimizing energy use in real time, reducing both cost and emissions. Digital twins simulating plant operations, enhancing precision and reducing waste. AI algorithms improving product design, quality, and customizations based on dynamic market inputs. For a manufacturing state like Odisha, with ambitions to expand both scale and sophistications, AI provides the critical lever to leapfrog the legacy constraints, be it energy intensity, workforce skilling, or environmental impact. To deep dive into the transformations, today's conclave is anchored by 2 strategically designed inputs. One is enabling a competitive manufacturing ecosystem in the state, both in policy and technological integrations. We will be discussing this, how we can able to align our policy, our infrastructure, our technology in a seamless manner to adopt AI in every sphere of the manufacturing sector in Odisha. We can strengthen the digital infrastructure for on Industry 4.0. We can, integrate the already infrastructure enablers like PM Gati Shakti and Make in India and other PLI schemes in enabling local industries. We can also think of how ease of doing business can be furthered and through regulatory simplifications. And right now, all India basis under our Prime Minister's leadership, we are talking about how to, deregulate many of these things that we have been able to, a lot of constraints putting out in our development. Driving skill development through AI integrates technical education. Driving public-private partnership in emerging sectors. The goal is to explore how Odisha can position itself not just a destination for investment, but as a model for innovations-led manufacturing growth. Another concept that we wanted to also, emphasize, basically, how a sustainable manufacturing, AI-driven again, go for innovation and best practices in the industries. We can focus on most on the green steel production. I am from steel sector, I can tell you that. Using AI-powered energy systems, AI in emission monitoring and circular economic models, data analytics in supply chain optimization and risk management, ethical AI. I think you can see the tech control of AI, what I'm talking about in the front of me, you can find out. We're talking ethical AI deployment in workforce entitlement, enablement. So all these things, we are all ready to set the context for this session, for this second, conclave of manufacturing. So Odisha is not, starting from the sketch. I think we have already come a long way. It is evolving from strength to strength. The state already contributes significantly in India's steel productions. I think we are almost, you can say, producing more than 35 million tons, having capacity more than 40 million tons, going for 130 million tons when the country is going for 300 million tons. So we are almost on the path of this growth. So not only steel, aluminum output and everything, stainless steel, in every industry that you're talking about, and mineral exports, but going towards value additions, downstream integrations, AI-powered productivity will define our success. So we in ASSOCHAM are committed to building AI-ready industrial parks with plug and play facilities. We are thinking of that with a government of Odisha's help, the AI, the ASSOCHAM can able to, take a partnership in doing, leading this movement. Fostering innovation clusters across metal, chemicals, and green technologies. Investing in upskilling of workforce for Industry 4.0 environments. Incentivizing low carbon, circular, and tech intensive manufacturing models. With strong policy support, committed investors, and a growing ecosystem of startups and institutions, Odisha is well poised to lead India's artificial intelligence driven led manufacturing renaissance. Thank you very much.